welcome back to our channel. Say welcome back. Welcome back. Our little grumpy is for so I'm gonna go down there and get Ava. But I'm gonna say welcome back to our channel. You guys can enjoy this day with us. I have a lot of things to do. As you can see, the room is one next to my plate of 18. So, oh, look at this. I'm stepping up, guys. I'm gonna open this up. I love to have this open when I clean Ava. Alright, guys. Ava woke up. She's a little, as you can see. So, we're gonna put Baby Dior down. Give Baby Dior her cup. So we can cater to Ava. Mommy's going to finish eating her food. As you can see, I couldn't finish eating because the girls woke up. But I'm gonna see if I can put Ava back to sleep. I'm a little out of breath because I ran downstairs and ran back up. But I'm gonna see if I can put Ava back to sleep. But I know she's gonna go to sleep, but she might not let her down. Because she wants to be in my rooms. So guys, I'm going to eat. Then I'm going to finish cleaning up the room. And I have some laundry to do. I have to clean up the kitchen. And yeah, so just enjoy this day of cleaning with us. And when I'm eating, guys, I feel like so weird. I don't know if other mothers feel like this, but I feel like weird and awkward, like if I'm eating in front of my babies. Even if they not like just staring at me, or if they not, you know, trying to get something from me or reaching for my food, showing me that they want some, I just feel weird. So it's like I have to feed them when I'm eating, even if they don't want it. Like now, Dior do not want my spaghetti, but any other time she would eat with me. I told baby Dior that I wasn't feeding her anymore, and her little facial expression, which is right now looking at me like, what? You said what? You're not feeding who? Okay, so are we going to do the side there, or are you going to have mommy for our side? Come on. Help mommy. Ava is mommy's little helper. She helps me do everything. She helps me clean. She helps me make the bed. She helps me do literally everything. Anything I'm doing, she runs over there and she helps me do it. So she's mommy's little helper. So right now we're putting all of their socks in the basket. This is their mismatched socks that I have to figure out, you know, them find the matches to them. But right now we're just gonna put them in the basket, and we're gonna do that last. And I'm gonna also add this in there. Ava is potty trained. She puts on panties throughout the day, and at nighttime and during naps she puts on pull-ups. But recently she haven't been wearing any pull-ups during nap or nighttime, and she's been doing a really great job. So I'm going to keep it that way to see how she does. But if she needs to put on a pull-up, during nap time or nighttime, then I would do that. But she's been doing really good, so hopefully it stays like this, but nothing's perfect. All right, I'm gonna take the tripod and I'm just gonna go in and show you guys what I did so far. I might, excuse me, my friend, gentle hands, Ava. All right, Ava, Ava, Ava. Yes, Ava, Ava, gentle hands, okay? Excuse me, 1, 2. Mommy say gentle hands, okay? Ava, look at me. Ava, ma'am. Mommy's gonna take this. Look at me. Gentle hands, okay? Sorry, Stephanie. Yeah, say, Sissy, can I have the ball, please? Stephanie, can she have the ball, please? She said, yeah, let her put it in. Okay, now start it over, Ava. Okay. Realistic, right? So, I'm gonna go in and tell you what I did so far. And I might come back later tonight to finish it up. But 9 times out of 10, I'm not. Okay, so this basket right here, guys, this has been sitting here forever. This is a giveaway basket. Are we sharing? Excuse me, are we sharing? Does mommy need to remove it? Okay, I just needed to know. Okay, and that is all their socks over there that I need to go through and put the matching. You know, these are clean clothes I need to put up. Yes, them too. And over there is the rest of. It's the numbers and colors and shapes that I need to put up that I haven't put up yet. So I'm gonna show you. I have this tripod, but like it's really tall, and I'm like. So I did this. I put up my ABCs. Y'all, I brought these like weeks ago. I'm just not putting them up because normally I have like these other wooden ABCs that I use to teach her, but I thought these would be better because she could be able to go and touch them. You don't want mommy on video. You want mommy? You want to hold it? You want to show them? Huh? She said hurry, y'all. She said yes. Okay, and this is her closet. So really, everything is basically done. I just need to take this, and this is their dirty clothes that needs to be washed. And I just need to. That's really not that much to do. But I got a lot of them, right? But now, you know, I'm pushing for that time because the weekend is Friday. For that time, so what I'm gonna do is feed my little chicken nuggets, feed my little goblins. I'm gonna feed them, my little goblins. I'm gonna feed my little goblins, and then once I feed my little goblins, give them their bath. Yes, that's how much time I have left. I may have some extra time to be able to throw a load in the washer. So then. Okay, so this is actually gonna be 2 videos. So y'all gonna see Friday. I'm gonna, name and time them. Oh, let me tell you. Come on, let's show them what time it is. Because, so then dinner time. Let's show them. Yeah, it's 5:38. Dinner is 5:36. So it's almost. So the look 20-something minutes left. I'm gonna go put a bowl in the washer and I'm gonna prep their food so they can have dinner. Then get them their bath. No, I went through. As you can see, I decided to go ahead and finish up the girls' room so that way it could already be done and they could be able to sleep in here. Well, Ava could be able to sleep in her room because now it's nice and comfy and clean. So I decided to go ahead and finish doing the room. And you will see how they turned out all the way fully. I finished it fully. Here goes the finished product. The only thing that I have to do is just put up the clean clothes. That food must have been really good to my baby, y'all. Look at her. She's scrubbing the crumbs out of the bowl, baby. That spaghetti and yogurt was fire. I do not know how and why, but it seems like the girls, everywhere I go, it's always something of them. So no matter what, it's always something. Like these little toys and things I'm putting out of this dirty clothes bonnet. It's like their little toys or their little gadgets just be everywhere. It's like no matter where I go, I'll always have a memory of them. Okay, so now I'm getting their pajamas out. So once they get out, it can already be out. I normally lay their pajamas out before I put them in the tub. So you're gonna see me get their pajamas out. Right now I'm looking for some pajamas for them. You're gonna see me walk out. I went to go get their eczema cream. Alright, I was able to put that load in the washer, and now it's time for me to put the girls in the tub. I decided to use the water sound due to, you know, it's down and I'm about to get them in the tub, get them a nice bath, and then put them to bed. And also because I use rain sounds when they're asleep. Even when I'm asleep, you know, it just gets us in that, you know, that mood. It sets the tone for bedtime. So thank you guys for watching our video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.